This is Milo, son of my friend Tachiro, and he loves car racing games and his birthday is just around the corner. So I will design him a driving simulator so he can play his games at full speed. The first thing I worked on was the design of this project in 3D. And for this, I used this tool which also has the list of parts that you'll be needing to build this project step by step. With the list of parts ready, we will measure each profile we need and mark it so we can cut each section of each part we need. Remember that safety comes first, so make sure that you protect your eyes and hands during the building stage. This might be the most laborious stage, so be patient. I can assure you that the results will be incredible. Once you have all your parts cut, we will start to work with the inferior frame that will support the entire structure. This frame is made out of 1-inch profiles. 2 of them are 44 inches long, and the other 4 are 20 inches long. The longest profile will go at the end, and with the help of the 90-degree 1-inch, we will screw the 20-inch profile into the 44-inch profile. This process is very simple. We will place the T-nuts inside one of the rails of the aluminum profile, and then we will put the angle in its place and screw the part in with the T-nuts. The marks on the profiles must be precise, so that each profile fits perfectly. This is how our main frame looks when assembled. Now, we will work with the section where our simulator's chair will be placed. For this, we will need 4 angles of 90 degrees and 4 T-nuts. We will fix to these angles 2 profiles of 10.5 inches on each side, and we will make sure that each profile is correctly screwed on. The distance between these 2 profiles is 7.5 inches. Once you finish this step, we will start working on the superior frame of this simulator. For this, we will need 2 T-plates with 5 holes. The arrangement is very simple. The bases of the T-plates are screwed to the 44-inch profiles of the main base. And once, with these screwed plates, we are going to join a 25-inch profile perpendicularly. We will fix these profiles perpendicular to a 20-inch profile, and with the help of 2 90-degree angles, we will place this profile in the middle of the 2 25-inch profiles at an 18-inch height. And this is how it looks so far. Then, for the next stage of our process, we will need to add another pair of T-plates, to which we will pre-assemble the T-nuts, and when it's ready, we will place the base of this plate onto the 44-inch profile. And perpendicularly, we will place a 10-inch profile. We will do the same procedure for the other side of the frame. And once you have the 2 10-inch profiles well screwed to the T-plates, the result of this process will look like this. Now, we will work on a small frame that consists of a 7.5-inch aluminum profile and a 14.5-inch long profile. This small frame will be placed in the inferior right side of our simulator, and it will serve to place the management lever of our project in this location. Once the 90-degree angles are in its place, we will put the frame we assembled before and place it on the angles that were already in place. The result should look like this. We're almost done. Now, let's assemble the 2 10-inch profiles for our project. These profiles have an 8.5 separation between them and are fixed on the 20-inch profile of our superior frame. Last but not least, we will place the caps on all the edges of each profile for this project. And once you've done that, our project looks like this. It looks incredible, and I hope Milo loves the final result like I did. Now, Let's just buy the seat and all the accessories for this driving simulator. His birthday is here. I'm so excited. We are going to bring him a present. Milo was super excited to help me put together the simulator. He seemed overjoyed with the results and couldn't wait to try them out. I put his favorite game on, the new Need for Speed, and other racing games, and it seems he loves his new driving simulator. This is another mission accomplished.